We are continuing hydrocarbon. First we will talk addition. We are continuing with acetylene. We will talk the reaction of acetylene with HCN. One H will move towards this carbon, it will convert into the CH2, and other CN will move towards this carbon, which is converted into CHCN, which is known as vinyl cyanide. When one functional group and one double bond is there, the word vinyl come and it is known as vinyl cyanide, or you can say propene nitrile you can say. Now we are coming for the oxidation of acetylene. This is acetylene, this is propanine. Actually this is propanine is being oxidized in presence of alkaline KMnO4 with the temperature 373 to 383 Kelvin. This 4O is coming. What is happening? This O will take 2O, this C will take 2O, comes out as a CO2. Clear? This C will take 2O, comes out as a CO2. And this CH will take 2O and comes out as CH3COOH. So acetic acid will form and CO2 will release. This oxidation is also held in presence of Jones reagent K2Cr2O7 plus dilute H2SO4. Same reaction is there. You have taken water molecule, but this reagent is known as Jones reagent. So what is happening? Again we are taking CH triple bond H2O plus O. Now number of O is 2. Is it okay? This C, this H2 will come to this one. 2H and 2O. And that is the formation of again acetic acid. So oxidation we can do in presence of alkaline KMnO4 also, in presence of K2Cr2O7 with dilute H2SO4 as a Jones reagent. Now we are reacting with sodium. As we know that hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium are the elements of same group. If we are reacting acetylene with sodium, definitely sodium will replace this H and form sodium acetylide. So H will replace as half H2 and sodium will attach. Again we will go with 200 degrees centigrade and again this H will remove and we will form disodium acetylide. Earlier it was sodium acetylide or you can say monosodium acetylide, and this is disodium acetylide. In both the reaction what happened? This H is replaced by this sodium, this H is replaced by this sodium. Okay. Now we are doing reaction with AgNO3 and NH4OH. Okay. So all these 2H will be removed. This 2H will be removed by Ag. 2 mole we will make and we will form disilver acetylide with white PPT. Disilver acetylide with white PPT. Same you will do with copper also, and you will form CuC triple bond Cu, dicopper acetylide. This is disilver acetylide, that will be dicopper acetylide. Now we are coming into the formation of benzene. That was aliphatic alkanes. Now we are talking about aromatic alkane. In case of aromatic alkane, we are talking about the method of preparation of benzene. The first method is Duma method. We have taken benzoic acid C6H5COOH, getting react with NaOH. Na will come here and H2O will remove. So we have formed C6H5COONA, that is sodium benzoate. This sodium benzoate is being reacted with NaOH in presence of CaO. In presence of CaO, it is being reacted with NaOH. 1 Na, 2 Na, 1 O and 2 O and 1 C. Na2CO3 will remove. This H will go to the phenyl group and it will convert into C6H6. This process is known as Duma process. The next process, reaction with zinc powder. We will remove this oxygen. This is phenol C6H5OH. Zinc will react with this. Then ZNO will form and benzene is formed. This is C6H6. Again form diazonium salt. C6H5N2Cl is diazonium salt. We are taking 2H in presence of SnCl2 plus NaOH. This SnCl2 producing this H This H will connect here, C6H6, HCl and N2 will remove. So this is C6H6 plus N2 plus HCl. This one is C6H6. Now by the hydrolysis of what? Ammonical dilute sulfate, sulfuric acid. So it is benzene sulfonic acid, SO3H, being reacted with H2O. H2SO4 will come out and H will attach here and benzene will form. Same thing is happening here also. SO3H and toluene. Here we have formed benzene, here we will form toluene because CH3 is attached here. Again we will get reacted with H2O. Then toluene is formed, or you can write C6H plus CH3 plus H2SO4. Wurtz-Fittig reaction. In Wurtz-Fittig reaction, we will take chlorobenzene, then methyl chloride, it react with 2 sodium. This sodium will remove this 2 chlorine H2NaCl. This CH3 will situated over benzene and toluene will form here. CH3 and benzene ring, this is known as toluene and 2NaCl is removed. This is all about the method of preparation of benzene. Some more reactions are also there which we will talk about.